friends, and welcome to the den for this Menthol Monday. And yeah, looking forward to doing the shave today. This is also for my brothers Nate and Mel over at BBS.Live. If you guys haven't checked them out, you need to get on Instagram, subscribe to BBS.Live. Link in the description below. Every second Thursday, and this is that Thursday coming up this week. They have a at least 3 hour live show, tons of giveaways, a ton of fun. Pull up a chair, pour a drink, and have some fun with the boys and the rest of the wet shaving community. It's always a who's who of the wet shaving community. Ton of fun. And anyway, so this is PAA week for the lads and for all of us that participate. So we're going with PAA Awesome Sauce. And ooh, what a scent on this one. Ooh, yes. Ooh, a little hit of that menthol there. Oh, absolutely delicious. Love the scent on this. If you're familiar with Proraso Green Splash, not the soap, not the cream, but the splash, that's what this is. And we're going to use the CoyoteCuts Demented Topper once again. Favorite brush in the den, why not? So a 24 millimeter luxurious Manchurian 3-band Badger. And we're just going to get in here and load this nice and heavily. And we're going to build us a nice face lather today. I might just ever so slightly moisten the tips a little bit. Help pick up some more of that soap. But yeah, scent notes on this are eucalyptus, menthol, citrus, lavender, talc, and oakmoss. And once you know what scents are in here, you really can start to kind of pick them apart. At least I find. And yeah, it's just a wonderful soap. Doug and Fran did a marvelous job bringing this iconic aftershave to soap form. And we have to thank Chris, IMCDB, for this, because it was Chris's continued interest, let's just say, having this splash made into a soap set. That was the catalyst for this becoming a reality. And that's why his face is on the label, right down here in the corner. That's CDB. Should give you a little look at the label here too. Your typical quality labeling job by PAA. This is the cocoa butter formula, also known as CK1. And we'll put that back in its place in the shelf. So yes, hopefully everybody's having a good start to the week. Mine's pretty good. My injector is almost here. I checked the tracking. It's in Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. I'm in Cornwall, Prince Edward Island, which is like less than a 10-minute drive from Charlottetown. And I'm probably not going to get the razor today. It probably arrived. Well, it's weird though, because it came in early this morning, and usually the mail trucks go in and they pick up all the stuff at the depot and take it out to the post offices. So I'm very surprised that it hasn't made it to Cornwall this afternoon. But that being said, that's my luck, of course, because I'm dying to get this injector, and it's so close. So close, but so far away. And the tracking is still saying expected delivery Wednesday. And I'm like, what? No, that can't be it. So anyway, fingers crossed, it may be here late this afternoon, or it'll be here tomorrow. I was going to hold off shaving today, but until it shows up. But I do have some stuff to do, and I couldn't wait any longer. So I'm shaving a bit early. When I record this, it's 1:30 in the afternoon my time, because I'm an afternoon shaver for the most part. I shave right around 2 in the afternoon. That's kind of my routine. I wake up in the morning. I always wake up late because, well, I don't work. So I wake up late, have my pot of coffee, do the Facebook thing, do the Instagram thing, get on YouTube, start watching videos, and then around 2 o'clock I get my schedule cleared and head to the den, have a shave. If it's a video day, I'll record my video, And then I'll make another pot of coffee, and then put the video together, export it, and then upload it, and then it gets out to you guys. So that's kind of how I do things. Today we're doing a ham dinner for Easter, even though Easter's a week away. My wife works on Easter, so the hell with it. We'll do it a little early. So doing ham, carrots, and some potatoes au gratin, and I got everything prepped. All I gotta do is throw the ham in the oven and make up a quick cheese sauce for my potatoes au gratin, and put that together and fire it in the oven and cook it. So that's why I'm shaving just a little bit early, and alas, I'll have to probably wait till tomorrow to get my beautiful injector, but that's okay. I'll probably record a video with it tomorrow for Wednesday, because I won't be able to wait till Wednesday to do the video. I can tell you that. So, and I do that sometimes. I'll record a video a day ahead of time. Ain't no thing but a thing. As you can see, this lather came together just beautifully in typical PAA fashion. Nice little bit of menthol in this. It's not like super cold, but there's enough there to let you know that it's there, which is nice. It's nice and refreshing for Menthol Monday. It's actually very similar to the Proraso Green soap or cream level of menthol. Eraser for today is going to be my absolutely stunning Karve Christopher Bradley in beautiful stainless steel. See if you can get that argyle handle in there. Beautiful knurling. We have the People's Blade in here, and the People's Blade for me is the Wizamet Super Iridium. This is the first use. All three Karves are locked and loaded with a Wizamet now, so that is my blade of choice. And thankfully, my man Brent ordered 100 for me. Hopefully, have those in May. And definitely looking forward to getting a good supply of them in. I finished the longevity test. Yesterday was shave number 9 with the Wizamet, and for me, it just started giving up the ghost on the 3rd pass. It was starting to get a bit tuggy, a little bit uncomfortable, so I was like, yeah, at least for my beard and my skin type, 9 shaves is about the limit. So I know some other people get more, but for me, 9's about all I'm gonna get out of it, and I'm okay with that. 9 shaves is good, and I mean, it's like everything else. Your mileage may vary, right? That just comes down to my skin type and probably my grain growth too, right? So other people that their neck isn't as sensitive, might even be able to push it out even farther than that. But for me, that's as far as I could go comfortably on the neck. It was getting pretty uncomfortable, so we turfed it. It was still cutting well though. I'll give it that. It was just a little tuggy. And this lather is just incredible. Nice menthol. Scent notes on this. Did I give out scent notes? Yes, I did. I guess I did, yeah. I did. Nice, wonderful, slick soap. Oh, yeah. Fresh Wizamet. It's just whipping through everything. Just nice. Great blade in this razor, too. It's got the 4-inch handle. It weighs in at 114 grams. And got the C plate on here, which is the only plate I have for the stainless. And that's 0.85 millimeter blade gap, 0.09 millimeter positive blade exposure. So just a tiny bit of blade feel. But with this Wizamet, you don't feel the blade. You just don't. It's truly a remarkable blade. And I tell you, this soap is making this shave super easy. Just get a look at that brush. There's a ton of lather in that. Very, very nice. We're blooping, we're flinging lather everywhere here. I want that to go to waste. Nicely hydrated lather today. This would be a perfect straight razor lather too. A little bit easier to see how I'm making my lathers with the old seeing hole fixed up a little better, so it's nice. I can actually see the sheen on it now, and I can see how the lather is doing as I hydrate it. It's very good. All right, now we go for the money pass. Do just a little bit of an angle to get it going. And then straight in across the grain. Very nice. I can't even really do that with my beloved feathers. I can't really go straight across the grain, so that's where this blade really shines for me. Oh, very nice. Just gonna get these hollows in here. And we're gonna call that BBS. Beautiful. All right, gonna do a nice cold water rinse. I do the cold water rinse anyway, and the cold water rinse after a mentholated shave always feels so nice. All right, here we go. Just cools down that skin. Great post-shave feel on this soap too. Slick as all get out. All right, that was the shave. And a nice little pat dry. I don't want to irritate my skin by rubbing it. Do have to get a Lancaster towel at some point, I think. Everybody's raving about them, so have to add one to the collection. All right, that was a nice shave. Very, very nice. Yeah, still a little bit, it's almost a little bit rough here, but you have to trust your instinct, and I know that's not hair, that's my skin follicles or my pores. And if I keep just shaving over and over it, I'm just gonna really irritate my skin, and it's not gonna remove any more hair because there's really no hair there to remove. And we're going with the Proraso Green Splash, because I didn't get the PAA splash, and nothing against PAA's splashes, but I ordered this from the States, and it's kind of tricky getting alcohol-based splashes across the border, and I figured, you know, this is supposed to match Proraso Green perfectly. I have 2 bottles of Proraso Green aftershave lotion, so why not utilize what I have, save a bit of money in the process. And yeah, it's a perfect match. Like I said, Doug and Fran really did a good job on it. And I actually quite like the Proraso aftershave lotions. They feel very nice in the face. They don't tend to dry me out. They are a lotion. And that'll have me set up good for the rest of the day. So that's the shave for today, my friends. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. I know I enjoyed doing it. So stay tuned. Hopefully Wednesday, the injector will be here, and I'll have a video on that. Really look forward to bringing that one to you guys. It's, I don't want to call it a rare one, but trying to find one in the wild is pretty hard, and I found one, and I can't wait to show it. So yeah, so until then, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another, most importantly, have a great day, eating better shave, and we'll catch you the next one. Peace, and I love you.